A violent tornado hit Tongyu County in northeast China's Jilin province on Sunday. The strong wind swept across a highway, overturned a passing coach bus and pushed it for several meters along the road before perforated its windshield. It was also reported that several buildings had been flattened and vehicles had been toppled. Electricity was cut off in the stricken area. Local electricity service department has launched disaster relief and power restoration work. No casualty has been reported except that there is economic loss.